Hey everyone, here's a quick tutorial on exporting KIN from Atomic Wallet and importing it into the Trust Wallet. Hopefully this will help everyone get their coins migrated and start doing some great things with your token. All right, so let's get started. I want to say thank you to Metal450. He actually, they actually posted the instructions on how to do the migrations, which I followed, and that's how I was able successfully to transfer my KIN. So thank you again, Metal450. So we'll go from here. All right. First, what you need to do is you need to create a Trust Wallet. All right. Go ahead and set up your Trust Wallet. Do the recovery phrase. Set it up how you would normally any other wallet. Once you do that, it's going to show basically this here. It's going to say multi-coin wallet. Don't remember. I think it says 1. I can't remember. It says multi-coin wallet 1. Okay. Once that is set up, okay, you want to go over to the top 2 little dots that were in the corner, and you want to search for KIN. Okay. I'm actually, you'll want to search for KIN and enable it. Okay. Don't worry about this SPL. The reason that it shows SPL on mine is because I did the migration, so now it's compatible. Right? It's just going to say KIN. You click it, and it's going to show. All right? And you'll see KIN there towards the bottom. All right? Once that's completed, you'll want to go over to Settings. Okay? Wallets. Multi-coin wallet 1. And click on Show Recovery Phrase. Go back to where it says Wallets, hit the plus sign, select I already have a wallet, look for KIN, and insert the recovery phrase and hit import. I believe it asks you to name the wallet. You can name it Temp KIN. This is just going to be a temporary wallet. Okay. Once you do that, you'll go back to your wallets. All right. You'll click on your temporary KIN wallet. Okay, the 3 little dots, your temporary KIN wallet, and you want to hit the Export Private Keys key right there. When you hit that, when you select that, it's going to appear a QR code is going to show. If you press the QR code, it's going to copy the private key. Okay. Once you have the private key, you'll want to hit the plus sign again. Already have a wallet. This time you'll want to look for the Solana wallet. Go right here in the middle. It says private key, and paste your private key and hit import. And again, it'll ask you to name it, or it'll give it a temporary name, I guess. You can always, if it doesn't give it a temporary name, excuse me. Let me go back over here. If it doesn't give it a temporary name, what you can do is you can go over to the 3 little dots and you select a name right here. You could just type in whatever name you want. I named mine Soul Wallet. Okay. Once you have your Soul Wallet, okay, it's just going to say Solana. That's all it's going to say. All right. What you'll want to do is click on the dots on the top right corner, and you'll want to click right here where it says Search Tokens and type KIN. And make sure that the KIN SPL is enabled. Okay. You'll then see both wallets there. All right. You'll need to put a small amount into your Sol wallet. Okay. I was fortunate enough when I did it, I created a Bonfida wallet, right? And Bonfida was doing airdrops for a small amount of Sol. Right now, I mean, you could try it out to see if it works, but for me, when I click it, it says failed airdrop currently not available. You could try later on. Maybe they'll, re-enable it, or maybe it's just saying that for me because I've already done it. I don't know. Okay, but I was able to get a small amount of Sol just by creating a Bonfida wallet and claiming the airdrop. And then what I did was I sent it. I hit send. I put in the address from here. That is your Sol wallet and the Trust wallet. Just paste it, entered the max amount, and hit send. And I was able to receive it. Okay. All right. Once you have your Solana, you have a little bit there. You'll need, this is the tricky part, you'll need someone that has a Trust wallet and has kin in the Trust wallet already to send you one kin to activate your wallet. I did it for a friend of mine. I sent them two because he sent me one. I sent them two as a thank you. All right. So, yeah, you need to have someone send you one kin to activate the wallet. Once you have the wallet activated, okay, then you need to find out what your actual kin address is. Okay, this is not your kin address. Okay, this address here works for Trust Wallet to Trust Wallet. Okay, if you're sending to another Trust Wallet, it'll work fine. Just give them this address, it'll work. But if you want to send kin from an exchange or from Atomic Wallet or any other thing, you'll need to know what your actual kin wallet is. Okay, so to do that, you'll need to go to the Solana Explorer. All right, copy from your Trust wallet. Okay, go to your Trust wallet, select kin, receive, copy this address here, yours, paste it. Okay, you'll then want to go to tokens, where it says summary over here on the right, detailed, and then it's going to show you your actual kin address wallet for the Trust wallet. This is the address that you'll want to use. Okay, so once you put in your information and you go over to detailed, it's going to show you what your account address is. Okay, then all you have to do is go over to MyKINWallet. Okay, go to Atomic Wallet. From Atomic Wallet, you go over to settings, private keys, you enter your code, hit show private keys, you go down to where it says kin, you go down to where it says kin, you copy the private key, you paste it there and access my wallet. Once you access your wallet, I mean, it's just like any other wallet. It'll show you the amount that you have. It'll show you, it'll say, do you want to send or receive? You could do anything you want with using MyKINWallet. All right. So then what you'll want to do is you'll want to hit send. You'll want to then copy the address code that you received when you did it. Okay. You hit copy. You hit paste. And you send it. I was kind of skeptical. I got to be honest. When I read the instructions, I was a little worried. So I sent a small amount. Okay, I sent like 1,000 just to try it out to make sure that it worked. It did work, and then I sent the rest. Keep in mind that it's not 2 or 3 seconds. All right, that's what I originally thought when I sent it. I thought, oh, boom, I was going to get it like that, but it's not like that because you're transferring it from Atomic Wallet to the Trust Wallet, and basically, I'm guessing it's doing like a conversion, right? So it took like 2 or 3 minutes, right? It was the longest 3 minutes of my life, uh, but it worked. And here I am creating a video and sharing uh, with everyone else, and hopefully it works for all of you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. If you want, I could do a video also on purchasing for FTX being in the US. I have purchased. I wanted to give it a try, and that worked fine also. All right, so let me know. Thanks.